We're at CTech, and a room that we've dedicated to our collection of 3D printers. And what we're trying to do is produce as many face shields as possible for local emergency personnel and hospitals. It started out serving Valley Children's, but it's extended now to other hospitals around the valley. So we're a career technical high school, and normally the students would be engaged in all of this, and they did get the process started. Our initial design modifications and testing was done by a collection of our manufacturing sophomores. But now, given the circumstances, the teachers have taken over and done what the students would normally do, and we are producing as many of these face shields as we possibly can. We come down at all hours of the day, 7 days a week, and try to keep as many of these machines running and printing as possible. What it is a form of plastic that can be heated and melted, and then 3D printers form this. It gets attached to a clear plastic film that's disposable. These are set up at the distance of a 3-hole punch, and so standard equipment that you would have in your home office could produce what's needed for this with the 3D printer. At this point, we're running 4 at a time on each of a dozen printers, and the print takes about 9 hours for 4. It's super warm and fuzzy, and it's good for the kids because they see all those posts and they know, hey, that's my school. I know even when I see other schools across the country that are doing similar projects, it makes me feel good knowing that we're part of something that a lot of schools are reaching out and doing, that have equipment that otherwise would just sit off. Schools are empty at the moment, and if you're not intentionally going down and using the equipment that you have to get something done, then what was it for?